Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about 100 common verbs, but this video will be 5 part. This is the first part of the video. So let's start. Jai, go, goes. Ashi, come, comes. Khai, eat, eats. Dekhi, see, sees. Boli, say, says. Jani, know, knows. Shuni, hear, hears. Bhabi, think, thinks. Nei, take, takes. They, give, gives. Stay, থাকি, stay, stays. পছন্দ করি, like, likes. ভালোবাসি, love, loves. চাই, want, wants. থাকি, live, lives. করি, do, does. বলি, tell, tells. জিজ্ঞাস করি, ask, asks. বুঝি, understand, understands. লিখি, write, writes. Thank you so much for watching my videos.